my dear friend, I'm your dear Jane. Today, we want to share with you one kind of high-speed CNC press brake. Look, in our workshop, there is two series 80-ton CNC press brake are ready for ship. This is one kind of ECO-friendly, energy-saving CNC press brake. This ECO-friendly CNC press brake take a Germany Helbig E-axis control press sample, so that it is one kind of very popular energy-saving machine. It can save the energies around 70% compared with traditional synchronized CNC press brake. And we take this kind of two small oil tank directly with a soft motor on both sides of oil cylinder can reduce the hydraulic oil 60%. And we choose this Italian ESA S860 controller with H+1 axis, and Germany Helbig valve system, Japanese Discover soft driver and motor to guarantee our machine with high speed and accuracy. Look, our fast down and return speed can guarantee 200 mm per second, and the working speed around 20 mm per second. So the total bending path speed can improve about 30%. This solving working system has no noise and can guarantee night working status. The most important, this ECO-friendly CNC press brake have a very low maintenance cost in future. So, for your choice of ECO-friendly CNC press brake, please try contact with RONGWIN.